Today's been a good day, like, not gonna lie. Today's been a good day for me too. I just been chilling right now. Oh, check this out. What did you want me to check out? Hey, come smell me. Smell me real quick. Smell me. You want me to smell you? You for real? Smell me real quick. Just get a little whiff. Here, get a little whiff. Smell me. Smell me. I mean, what is that? What is that, baby? That's a new cologne. I'm just trying to smell cute, you know? Just trying to smell good for the ladies. Oh, damn. You like the smell? You like it or not? Tell me. To be honest with you, man, it smells good, but I'm about to sneeze. I gotta sneeze so bad right now. Shit, just sneeze. I got, just sneeze. Like, what kind of shit cologne is that? Bro, it's Extreme Peppermint 2.0. Oh, I gotta sneeze. What are we talking about? It's the good stuff. It's made out of pure pepper, you know? But it uses that little zingy smell, you know, to catch the ladies' attention. To be honest with you, homie, it just smells like pepper, like straight up. Woo! Hey, yo, homie, chill, like, dude. I gotta sneeze! Dude, we're like in the library, man. It's in my brain! I can't get it out! It's in the back of my nose! I gotta sneeze! You gotta, like, lower your voice a little bit. I gotta sneeze! We're about to be kicked out the library, homie. Like, calm down, like, relax. Relax. Oh, my nose! The librarian's coming right now.
Excuse me, boys, but you're gonna have to lower your voice or you're gonna be kicked out the library.
I gotta sneeze!
I understand you have to sneeze.
I gotta sneeze! Homie, chill.
I'm sorry, but you're gonna have to leave. You're being too loud.
It's coming! Joe!